Hey, do you want to learn how to see or check ChatGPT memory on mobile? In this video, I'm going to help solve a problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So currently I'm on my mobile phone and you can see on the right hand side that there's a mobile phone and it's going to display what I'm showing here. So what I'm going to do is on the top left, there are these two horizontal lines. You can click on that. And then on the bottom, you're going to find your user icon. Click on that. Now on the right hand side, you're going to find personalization. Click on that. And on the top, you're going to find memory. Click on this. Here, you're going to see manage memories. Click on this again. And whichever memories that you have saved while you were chatting with ChatGPT is going to save over here. Then you can see this is the memory that I've saved in ChatGPT, and I can long press it and then I can remove it by clicking on here, or I can delete all by clicking on this button on the bottom. And that's it. That's how to check or see ChatGPT memory on mobile. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the left hand side, you're going to find more ChatGPT related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.